Hello, I'm Rodney Grounds with Robopac USA. For a long time, Robopac has been known as a company that produces the most technologically advanced stretch wrappers on the market, with features like our patented cube technology, which allows us to have variable pre-stretch and variable containment force. Other patented features like our patented spring clamp, a clamping mechanism that makes sure your film tail doesn't pull out of the clamp before the wrapping cycle. And then our feature of sealing against a contrast bar, where heat and weldment is never against your product. We realize that these options are well appreciated by the market, and we've designed the program now to make sure that we can deliver these machines to the market in a quick time. I want to introduce you to the quick delivery system from Robopac USA. The quick delivery system is based on our Helix rotary arm platform. The Helix comes in 3 versions, a 20 RPM version, a 28 RPM version, and a 36 RPM version. All the machines can come equipped with all the features that I've recently talked about and more. The quick delivery system is a system that we've done where we've made the investment to secure production slots with our factories where we're building these machines in advance of even getting orders. That way we can cut the lead time to market drastically. From the time of a purchase order to the time you can see the machine on your floor for a fully automated solution could be as low as 16 weeks. Please contact us at the website below to learn more about our quick delivery system.